After selecting the clamp, we must test it on the tooth to ensure it is suitable. The first point to consider is that the clamp we are using must make contact with the cervical part of the tooth at 4 points and should be stable. Regardless of the type of clamp and tooth, the clamp must remain stable when positioned on the tooth and pressed on the bow. It should make perfect contact at the 4 line angles of the tooth. For example, for this tooth, if I choose clamp number 26, it will not align properly and will extend beyond the line angles, resting on the gum. This placement can traumatize the gum and is not stable, increasing the risk of damage and the clamp dislodging from the tooth during the procedure.